would you like to try it on?
Yeah, I have to read. Do you have stamps that says no, block the ice?
No, I'm sorry, but we do have the business cards. If you want to take one. Yeah. Do you want me to take it?
Yeah. So you close at 6?
Yeah, we close at 6. Monday through Saturday.
Mm-hmm. Sunday here.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Here you go.